Like traffic lights. And now we get into the serious stuff. This is where we're going to find all the firing machinery, the rifles, the cannons, the bazookas, even the little handguns. 1863. Wow. That's a little one, isn't it, eh? The old Kalashnikov, eh? Ooh. Still on the streets now, them ones. So yeah, that was the Naval Museum. Let us know what you think of the Naval Museum, and if you like Cartagena, will you be visiting this place? But we're going to show you more videos just up there, and you can see more of Cartagena. If you want to go out on one of these boat trips, you can pick the boat up just there, dead opposite the museum, the Naval Museum, and they'll take you around a little tour. And if it's just you on your own, it's €6, but if there's more than one person, it's going to cost you €5 to go on one of these little tourist boats.